Hey Auntie Frances, kamusta? I wish you a happy birthday. Unta magkusog gihapon ka, maayo imong kalawasan og mag-enjoy ka para kauban pa nimo si Kinkin, si Mikmik og imong mga apo. And amping diha, makita kita ta soon ha. Hay muli ko hapit na pod. So see ya.
Hi, Ante! Von! Ka-remember ka? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ante! God bless! And good health! See you! And may God bless you. Stay healthy! Get stronger!
Happy birthday, Ante! I hope you're okay. Tani tuloy-tuloy na ang recovery nimo kag tani happy ka today sa birthday nimo, sa imo nga celebration dira. Miss ka na namon. Hope to see you kung makapuli kami liwat. Love you.
Happy birthday mo lang. Dahil sa magpayo.
Hello, Mama! Happy birthday! Hope to enjoy your day and have a good health. Okay, recover. Nadayon. See you soon.
Hello Lola sis, I hope you're having a great day. I wish for a complete healing and I wish to see you again. Happy birthday.
Hello Lola Asis, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day.
Hello, mommy. I wish you happy birthday, all the best, and especially to be healthy and to be still surrounded by awesome family which you have, and hope that you are doing well, and still hoping that we will see each other again. So everything best and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Asis! Hope nga ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo. Na-miss ko na ang mga luto mo. Thank you, Gate, sa tanan-tanan. Kag ginapray namon nga tani mas mag-improve pa ang imo nga health. And tani taga ang kapasang madamo pagid nga birthday.
Ako ante, ang wish ko lang sa imo, mag-improve ang imong health. Always happy. Bisan pa man nga padali lang ta ka nakilala. Makita ko gid nga pagkamaayo mo nga tao, pagkamaayo mo nga inahan. Auntie ni Pat kag sa imong mga hinablos, auntie. Pakakusog lang, ampo lang kita permi. Kag pag uli namon, banding naman ta.
Sunod, Ante.
Ante. Happy birthday liwat, ante.
Happy birthday, Liwate. Enjoy your day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Ante. Happy birthday. So, ang ako ni wish, there's only one thing, is that you stay strong and healthy, because we are all looking forward to one day mag-reunion, all of us together in one place. So if there's one thing, we want to celebrate you and the blessing that you are to our family. So you stay strong and you stay healthy all the time. Okay? So I hope, and yes, we will really do see each other soon. I'm so excited. And yes, we still want to bring you places, so you're gonna have to stay. Alright? Happy birthday, Auntie. Wishes coming all the way from Prague. Ari ko sa mall, inside the mall sa Prague. So, wala ko nakagawa today. Anyway, bye-bye. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, ma. Enjoy si ma'am birthday. Palangga ka na mo ka mga bata. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, we miss you. Bye. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a good health. I miss you, Lola. Me.
Hi Ma, happy 64th birthday! I hope you're enjoying your celebration there in the Philippines. We love you. Wishing you happiness, good health most especially. And we're hoping to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday!
Hi Ma, happy 64th birthday to you, all the way from London, United Kingdom. And Ma, I'm very grateful to the Lord that He's given you additional year in your life, and I pray and hope that He's gonna give you more birthdays to come. Happy life despite of the challenges, Mama, and also a grateful heart. And I know, Ma, that you've been very resilient all these years after your stroke, and I admire you for all of it. We thank you for your love. We thank you for all your support. We thank you for the person that you are, for keeping us so inspired, for me and Mick and the rest of the family, for being our inspiration to keep moving, to build hope, and to be an inspiration to everyone. Thank you, Ma, for everything. And I hope that one day we will be reunited again back in the Philippines, and I still hope and pray that we'll still get more time with each other, and Ma, more years to come, more memories to build. Happy birthday once again. I love you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Happy 64th birthday, Ma. We love you all the way from London.
Hooray! Happy birthday! Flying kiss, Kida. Flying kiss.